Dr. Cooper, and we're at Cooperstown. We are here with Ashley Sanford. She is our new superstar. Tell us your story.
Hi, I'm Ashley Sanford, and this is me. I am a drag racer, and I've been seeing Dr. Cooper for not even a month now. And a part of my racing, the most important thing is to have a great reaction time. And since seeing Dr. Cooper at my last race, I had my best reaction time ever.
And what place did you come in?
I came in 8th out of 21 cars.
Woo!
So, woo! Thank you, Dr. Cooper.
She is our superstar. Thank you. Good.
Yay. So Dr. Cooper, I just got back from 2 race weekends in a row of me driving my top alcohol dragster and then HRA, and both weekends I made it to the semifinal round, which I've never done before. First weekend out of 24 cars, I came in 4th. Second weekend out of 27 cars, I came in 3rd.
That's awesome. So what do you think has been the difference in doing so well as compared to before?
It is you. Coming to get adjustments, I swear I've never been so focused and on my game. Literally, it's written down on paper. My reaction times have never been better. And it's just super exciting because I've never felt so on point as a driver and athlete. Thanks to you.
Oh, that's awesome. All right.
Woo!
Who thinks she's awesome? I do. Thanks.